Hey y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be recreating Jasmine Brown's Black Swan clown look. Now let's jump right in. Right here, as you can see, I am just priming my face with some Fenty Beauty primer. Take any primer that you would like. Next, I'm going to take this white gel liner and I'm just going to outline my face. And I'm just showing y'all my swoops because the part where my makeup is going to be showing, I want her to have some, swoops in her head. So now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and apply my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I only used one pump. Next, I'll be applying the Fenty Beauty concealer under my eyes. And it wasn't enough for me, so I just decided to add a little bit more. Let it dry down a tad bit, that way the color can come out just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be taking my Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to be applying that all over my face like Jasmine did. That way I can just get a nice matte finish. Then I'm going to be going in with my MAC setting powder in the color Deep, and I'm just going to set all over my face. Well, not all over my face, just this little section. Y'all know what I mean. Now it's time for the toilet paper. Grab any toilet paper and this Mehron latex glue, and I'm going to be ripping it into strips just like Jasmine did, and gluing it to my face. And right here, I'm just rolling them up, trying to just not make them so perfect, but just to have them stick to my face a little easier, but it was not as easy as it looked, child. I struggled a tad bit, but I am so happy I did this. It was so much fun. I heard Jasmine say to rip off the edges, but out of excitement, I totally forgot to do that part. But it was still, like I said, a very fun experience. Oh, y'all, it was a struggle, but mama, we made it. Now I'm going to be taking the, I believe it's called the Paradise. It's a water-based paint, and I'm just taking this ginormous paintbrush that I got from Michael's, and I'm just lightly dipping it in some water and then tapping on the paint, and that's what's giving me this nice black paint color. this look was so easy and just simple to follow. The way she explained it and the way that she did it, she made it look super effortless, and I just hope that I did the look justice. But now y'all, I'm not even about to front. When it came to trying to cover up the tissue, it was harder than I thought it was gonna be. It kept trying to come off. It kept like not wanting to take the paint. I tried and tried to the point where I had to get up, go to the bathroom, and dig that black paint into that tissue just for it to somewhat come together. Y'all see me digging that tissue and then it tried to come off. I was like, dang, give me a break. Just stay there. Take the paint. Now I'm just going to be taking the metallic gold powder and the mixing liquid, both by the Mehron company, and this little paint dish, and I'm going to be pouring the powder. I poured way too much. I'm telling y'all now, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just separating it, putting some of that gold into another part of that paint palette, and I'm going to put the mixing liquid in there and just mix it until it turns into a smooth paint. Let's get these lips puckered up, honey. Y'all, if my lips was not juicy enough, Lord. I kept having to tell myself, Adiola, it's a Halloween look. It doesn't have to be perfect. But y'all, I was trying to get it together. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever black eyeshadow and I'm going to set under my eye and on my lid so that it doesn't crease. Ooh, y'all just so up close and personal. Alright y'all, so next I took this black gel liner by NYX and I'm going to do exactly what Jasmine did and go into my waterline. Y'all, this was my first time. I thought I was gonna poke my eye out, but it came together, okay? Alright, so now I'm taking this old Benefit brow eyeliner that I had. No, not an eyeliner, but the brow pencil that I had. And I'm just going to use the spoolie part of it, dipped it in the gold, and I brushed them on to my brows. Simple. Ooh, child, now it's time for the clown eyes. I was so scared on this part, y'all, but like I've been saying throughout this whole thing, it was coming together. I was getting scared because I didn't know what was about to happen, but you know, I'm happy. I'm happy with what's coming through. All right, now, y'all, we get into the tough part. I have never ever done a wing liner before. Nothing with a wing because it just looks so difficult. But when you trust the process, when you believe in God, He will always come through for you. And that's exactly what He did in this tutorial. He came through, and I was just like, Lord, I could do a wing, and me, a whole wing. Because now I can do wig, I can do anything. I'm unstoppable. Y'all see how giddy I was? Now I'm gonna take this Sephora eyebrow pencil. It's in a charcoal brown, I believe. The last one is black, so it's the second to the last color that they have. And I'm just defining my brow. It doesn't have to be neat. I didn't clean it up. I just literally defined my brows, made it look a little fuller. Now, of course, because it's her tutorial, I had to go and support and buy the lashes. Now I'm just applying these two little fake Swarovski crystals on my face to complete my clown eye. Now it's time for the blood. Alright, so right here, it's just all about following the instructions. She said to apply it on the skin where the black and your skin meet. So that's exactly what I did. I just overlapped the black paint with the blood, also fanning it into my skin. That way you can see where the blood and the black paint meet, and also where I'm actually bleeding. Chick, I'm gonna fine girl, no pimples. Now it's time for that famous clown nose, and I just rounded it out and painted it in. Now it's time for this clown collar that I made, and I do have a video on it. Now y'all know I wasn't gonna end the video like that, huh? Change background. Now I want to thank Jasmine Brown for her tutorial, and I also want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.